Good Monday, Divergence traders. How you doing all today? As you can see, they chopped people up, like they usually do, right? In the first half an hour. Chop, 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 chop. That's what they do. They're famous for it. So we take it through, right through the long wick, the next one. But we'll draw it to that one because it lines up with the doodahs. The red doodahs down there. Okay. That's it. Gotta grab another one. Something like this. It was divergent 100%, ladies and gents. And that's where you would have got in the free and clear if you didn't trade in here. See what time that finished? Look. Oh, even longer than I thought. 17:25, 10:25, they finally stopped, chopping people up. Anyway, it was good. It was a good trade. That's like 50 pips, points, whatever points. Stop at the swing low, 18 points. Definitely got 2-to-1 win-loss ratio on that trade. Let's move on now to the the S and the P. Our first trade of the day with the S and the P is right here, low and lower lows. And it going up like that on the OSMA. So, would have got you long right there. Up it goes, 28 pips. Stop. 29. Almost hit it. Almost. There's no trade to sell in here. You wouldn't want to sell in here anyway, because it's, see, it's bullish. Bullish. Right here, see? It's bullish. You don't want to sell, just want to buy. Okay, and then it's not the NASDAQ, it's the Dow. Wow, Dow. Okay, I'll show you the trade. It's like all the way across here like that. See, you can draw a perfect straight line on there. That's serious when you get a straight line. And you take it from here and draw it like that. Yep. And you would have got in long right there. Stop at the swing low, 15 points. Went up 60, came right back down. Went up 73 to here. And if you held on, because there's no reason to get out, right? Because the 5 is above the 7. So it went up 100, man. It went up a freaking 100 almost. 999. 999. It went up 999. Well, I guess better than 666. Did you know that the first Apple computer sold for $666? Isn't that a little woo crazy? 666. Okay. Okay, Mr. Macintosh guy. I can't remember his name. All that I know is Bill Gates stole his shit, man, and made Windows. Yeah. And Windows got way more popular because they advertised the shit out of it to people, where Macintosh, Apple didn't have the same huge advertising budget. But the first computer I bought was in 1990. It was either 94, 95, maybe it was 96. I don't know. It was the mid-90s. And this software that I wanted at that time called PageMaker, with that and the extra 2 RAM that I had to buy for $200 and something to get the PageMaker to work. Okay, all of that cost me $4,400 back in the mid-90s. A lot of money, man, a lot of money. Yeah. It was fun, though, I guess, using PageMaker. Anyway, yeah, she's still going up, huh? La-di-da. Let's look at the pound dollar now, but not the 15. You always look at the 5. Oh, it's ugly on the 5. Maybe we better go back to the 15. Ah. I don't know. Is that divergent? Let's see. You have a high and a lower high. Yeah, it's got to go up. Yeah, and it's going down. No, that's not divergent. There you have it. All that we have is, you know, one of these. Lower close right there. Buy it. Up it flipping goes. And then they faked everybody out and took it down. That's what they did. Today at around 3 o'clock in the morning. There's a couple other, you know, higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. There's a couple more here. I'm not going to mark them out. Okay. 5 minute. Euro, USD. Well, we have a trade right here. Double top. And this goes down. That means the price is supposed to go down. La-dee-da. Do-da, do-da. Oh, yeah. Sell right there. Stop at the swing high, 3.6 pips. And it went down 9 pips, man. Got your 2-to-1. Win-loss ratio. I thought this would maybe be divergent. And it's not. It's not. It's not. Because it did the big move of the day of the New York session, 13 pips. Okay, we'll move on. Pound yen. Oh, look at that, eh? Pound yen just went woo, 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 woo. Up we go. Exotic pairs, eh? And there's divergence there. For sure, ladies and gentlemen. Right there, down to right there. And right there. So if you were around, you know, around 8 o'clock today, and you bought it down here, because we're always supposed to buy low, sell high. Look at that. It went up 67 points. 67. Really good. Oh, yeah, and we have a couple of these doodads. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. Lower close, even though it's probably was going to go up. Buy it, up it goes. Here's one for sure. One more. One more for the kipper. You ever eat kippers? They're pretty good. Very fishy, but good. Okay. Oh my God, my hand's itchy again. Bring me some money, hand. You're itching. Okay. Right here. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. And it's still going. Okay, let's move on to the euro yen now. Now that was the pound yen. Oh my God, is my finger ever itchy? Holy shit. Sorry about that. I have some real itch problems these days. And I don't want to get into it. I can't talk about that on the channel. Oh, fuck, it won't stop. Jesus. I know. What did Jesus have to do with it, right? He didn't have anything to do with it. Thought there was divergence from up here, but there isn't. But there is right here. Let me show you. Just like that. And just like that. Ding. And we would have got short right in here. Yep, 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 yep. Would have got short. Right there. Stop was small, 8-9 pips at the swing high. Okay, 8-9 pips. Went down 22 pips. That's 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. And then we had another trade right here to right here. Yeah. I don't know about you, but I'm still baffled to this day that I find these divergences, and then, as you know, I find the entry, right? I get the moving average to cross over. I get the price to close above those two moving averages. You know, above and a buy and below and a sell, right? Right? And every time I do that, sell right here. Does it go back right here to the stop? Nope. Right here, buy here, right? Did it go back to the stop right here at the swing low? Nope. You tell me why that is, man. You tell me. Because I've been seeing it for 12 freaking years. How you get in and it doesn't go back and get your stop like it does for everything else you try and trade. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you. Divergence is king. If you can spot it and trade it and make money, you're good. But if you can't, well, may Jesus help you. May God bless you. Okay. So this one went up. Swing low is the stop, 12, 13 pips. Went up 35 pips to here. And we had another trade in here. Did you know that? Let me show you. Let me show you. Right there. Hidden divergence, just like this was hidden divergence right over here. Yes, indeed. This was hidden divergence, man. And where do you draw it? Right from here up to there. Right there. Boom, shakalak. And we have an arrow because we want to buy it after the 5 crosses up above the 7 and the price closes up near the high of the candle and above the 2 moving averages. It says buy it, baby. So if you buy it, up it goes, 12 pips. What was your stop at the swing low? 11.5 pips. So you would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio on this trade. Okay, let's now move on to gold. Oh, here we go again with the pip snagger. Still nobody wants it. Nobody asked me for it. Oh, well, your loss. Your loss. Okay, what do we have here with gold, eh? What did they sell off here? The main pivot of the day. This is the only pivot that I've come across with the S1, S2, S3, the R1, R2, R3 up above. See, they're green lines. See? Oh. It's the only one I've ever come across where the price respects these levels. There you have it. And they have the same exact pivot indicator on NinjaTrader in the indicators, whatever, folder, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, they respect it, man. They look a little different than this, but it's very, very close to the same. So, gold. Oh, jeez, I gotta get some water. Gold is a it's a fucking animal, man. Look what it does, man. Look what it does. Shoots up freaking 65 points, and then it goes, oh yeah, let's fuck them good, and they take it down 156 points. And there was no divergence on this double top. Can you believe that? There's no divergence. Because this mountain peak is higher than this one, and it needs to be the opposite of that. This one needs to be higher than this one, but it's not. Okay. But we have one of these. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. If you wanted to sell like down here, since it come all the way down here, if you wanted to sell there, that would have been a beautiful trade for you. Okay, that's the only one I can show you. And then the last instrument that we want to look at today, it is called oil. Oil. There's oil. Oh boy. Look at that. Yeah. First we had this trade right here. Okay. You would have got long right there. Stop at the swing low. 22 ticks. Did we get 22 ticks? We did. We got 25. Woo-wee. Gotta love that. Okay. There's gotta be a trade here, no? Huh. No, man, there's no freaking trade there. There's supposed to be a trade here to buy it to go up. Oh, I don't know what's going on with that. It didn't work out. Damn, eh? Ah, you could trade the cross up, right? The cross up, the 5 crossing up over the 7. That's a cross up. I used to tell you about those before, but you can still use them, especially the 2 moving averages I use. You can see how good they are. They tell you when to buy or sell, or help you to buy or sell when you know they're very close to the moving price. You know what I mean? It's not like you have some moving average, you know, like here, let me just show you. People put on these, I think anyway, ridiculous moving averages. Hold on, let me find it here. And don't be offended by it if I'm saying this and that's what you do yourself. Don't be offended. Okay? Moving average. So they'll have something like the 50. Okay? And not exponential, as simple. Okay? See that sucker? What does that tell you? I'm sorry. What does that tell you? Oh, let's not forget the next one. We need the one for the long-term trading. Hold on. No, I can't talk. I sound like a fucking Renardo. I walk like a Renardo, I'll tell you that. Thanks to that. Oh, yeah. That thing I can't talk about. Where is it? Right here. Yeah, they put on something like this. Don't know why, but that's what they do. See? That one goes straight across. We're on the 5-minute chart. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. What does that tell you? Huh? This one's going zing right across the bottom here. You know, and this one's woo, woo, like you're gone skiing up in the hills here. Like, what is that? What does this tell you? Like, do people think they can follow some trend if price is below these way out of time, way out of way moving averages? I don't know. But I abandoned these suckers like, I'd like to say like 30 years ago, but I haven't been trading that long. They just didn't do anything. Like, anyway. I just thought I'd throw that in there today. A knuckle sandwich. What the fuck can you do with that? I can't do jack shit with it. I tried so many times with 3 moving averages, and then I've even tried with 5. I had a friend of mine, American trader, him and his wife. I told you about his wife, Natalia. She used to make like enough to buy a car every other day trading Forex back in the day. But anyway, they had a system 5 moving averages. But she didn't use that to make all that money. That was just something they're selling to people, I think. But anyway, I'm just trying to say far out of the whatever, far out in space. You know, with Captain Kirk, I don't see what people see in them. You know, I just don't. Anyway, I'm not trying to say that ignorantly to anybody if they use those kind of moving averages, but I'll tell you the best moving average that I was taught, actually from Natalia, is the SMA 25. Works real good on the pound. When price is above, you buy it. When price is below, you sell it. And that's it. Very simple and straight to the point. 25 SMA. A lot of people use the 21 EMA. I use the 5 and the 7 EMA. But anyway, let's get back to this now. Sorry, I had to give my little lesson on moving averages. Okay, anyway. It went up like 78 points. It was good. That's the last trade of today. That's the end of the show. Oh my goodness, the end of the show. Hope you enjoyed the show. Please hit the like button if you want. And if you don't want to, hey, no problem. If you want to subscribe, go ahead. Would love to see you subscribe. But if you don't want to, it's okay. Anyway, have yourself a great trading day. Stay safe. Good luck and good trading.